If your travel agency is stuck at the same revenue, losing clients to competitors, or constantly overwhelmed, you're probably making at least one of these three mistakes. And the worst part, most agency owners don't even know they're doing it. Hey there, my name's Colin, I'm from Ezus, the all-in-one travel software provider for tour operators, travel agents, and DMCs, and I'm going to take you through three mistakes that prevent travel agencies from growing and how you can take action to stop it. Mistake number one, scattered tools. You've got client emails in Gmail, budgets in Excel, itineraries as PDFs, proposals in PowerPoint. Sound familiar? The problem isn't that these tools are bad, it's that only a few of them talk to each other. Every time you switch between them, you waste time. And when you send a clunky spreadsheet to a client who's expecting a premium experience, you lose trust. Growth requires consistency, and consistency is impossible when your workflow is held together with copy and paste. Mistake number two, unclear processes. What I mean by that is, when every trip is built from scratch, there's no template, no system, no repeatable flow, your team spends more time figuring out how to do the work than actually doing it. And when you're running at full capacity, things get missed, deadlines slip, and clients notice. A streamlined process isn't about removing the personal touch that makes your agency special, it's about protecting it so every client gets the same high standard every single time. Mistake number three, losing information. A client mentioned this would be their 10th trip with you during a call a few months ago. Did anyone write that down? Is it somewhere your team can find? When key details live in someone's memory, inside a former employee's emails or filed away in unopened drawers, they get forgotten. And in our industry, details like that are the product. Losing them doesn't just hurt the experience, it tells your client you weren't really listening in the first place. Now, it's easy for me to say that the solution to these mistakes is Ezus, but as they say, the proof is in the pudding. So let me tell you about Finding France, a Paris-based destination management company specializing in custom private tours for North American travelers. Before Ezus, they were indeed making these mistakes, and while it was workable, it wasn't scalable. And as their client base grew, they needed a faster, more polished way to respond to personalized requests. That's where Ezus stepped in to give them exactly that, an all-in-one solution to simplify and accelerate their development. In one shareable link, they got beautifully structured mini websites with itineraries, maps, images, quotes, and more. The result? Faster response times, a growing B2B client roster, and a strong return on investment. In their own words, Ezus is refined. Highly recommended. That is all for this edition. We're currently offering 1 month free for any new user coming from this very YouTube video, so book a free demo with one of our Ezus experts and find out for yourself how our software can transform the way you run your travel agency. Thanks for watching. Do let us know in the comments which of these three mistakes you relate to the most. Subscribe if you're yet to, and I'll see you next time.